Newton's first law states that an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force, and an object in motion will stay in motion, also known as the law of inertia.
All around the world. To the beach, y'all. Let's go. All around the world. Y'all know this is so that.
It's gonna be a beautiful day.
The first law of motion states that an object in motion will stay in motion. When this basketball is in the air, it is in motion. If it weren't for the backboard, the basketball would stay in motion and continue forward. Due to the outside force, or the backboard, the ball was able to be redirected into the net.
Newton's second law states that the acceleration of a body is proportional to the net force on it, and inversely proportional to its mass. F equals ma.
The second law of motion states that an object with less mass needs a smaller force to be accelerated. At the same token, an object with more mass needs a larger force to be accelerated. The pillow has a very small mass, so not much force is needed to push it, whereas an object with larger mass a 17-year-old male generally has a larger mass than a pillow. It takes more force to accelerate an object with heavier mass. Seen here, a lot more effort or force is needed to move the object.
The second part of the second law says that the more force exerted on an object, the quicker it will accelerate. In the first clip, a small force is exerted on an object, therefore not accelerating too quickly. In the second clip, the same object is being pushed, however with a larger force, therefore the object accelerates quicker.
Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
As you can see, the hammer strikes the gumball, pushing a force on it. Newton's third law states that if a force is exerted on an object, the object exerts a force back. However, in this case, the hammer hits the gumball with a greater force than the gumball hits the hammer, causing the gumball to explode. These forces are always in opposite directions.